Hello, and thanks for tuning in. If you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button. If you're returning, thanks. It means a lot. So this should have been the first video before I made the base map video. Somebody had brought it up to my attention, and I thought it was a good idea. So I wanted to make this video. So this would be the first thing you want to do in any vehicle before you start tuning, is make sure the vehicle is mechanically sound. By that, I mean tune-up wise, your spark plugs, air filter, PCV valve, fuel filter. Make sure all that stuff is good. Set your base timing to whatever the specification for that engine calls. Make sure you have no exhaust leaks, because you will be using a wideband O2 sensor if you're making a base, well, not a base map. If you're going to tune the car later, you're going to need a wideband O2 sensor. So no exhaust leaks is best. No real major leaks anywhere. Make sure your fuel pressure is good. Make sure everything is just running good. Then you can get into tuning, start reading what the engine's putting out, playing with the parameters. That way you'll ensure that you're getting a proper reading, and you're not going to end up destroying your engine because, let's say you got an exhaust leak and you're reading richer or leaner, however it's going to read, because you're introducing more air and that'll probably run leaner than it really is, and then you're going to try enriching it, and you could damage the engine, or vice versa. Same thing with timing. So if you have, vacuum leaks, anything like that, that's going to throw all your readings off. So you need to make sure the engine is mechanically sound. And like I said, that goes for any engine, not just, or any makes, any cars, anything that you want to tune. It's not just Hondas. So yeah, I wanted to put this video out. It was a good idea. Somebody had brought it to my attention. I read every comment. I appreciate every comment. I appreciate every subscriber. So I'm going to try and keep pushing content out and making sure we can all just tune our vehicles and drive happy. So I'm going to drop a link up in the corner. Click on that. That'll bring you over to making a base map. After that, stay tuned for the next video on how to actually burn a file to a chip and get it into the ECU and start getting some real tuning going on. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe.